friends. حالتون چطوره؟ It means how are you in Farsi language. Very warm welcome back to Let's Cook with Rozina. It's lovely to see you again as usual, and I hope I found you very well today. Today I'm making a dish called Aloo Masama Morgh, which translates to chicken with prune stew in Farsi language. This warmly spiced chicken and prune stew is from Ardabil, a beautiful and ancient city in Iran that's famous for its honey, rocks and mountains. This flavorful Iranian dish comes alive with vibrant taste of saffron and tender prunes. Iranian chicken with prune stew not only has a great taste and is a combination of sweet and sour flavors, but also is super quick and easy to prepare. One of the unique features of this stew is its thick and satisfying texture. The richness of this stew comes from the using beautiful and delicious prunes that gives super taste to this dish. Okay, for making a classic chicken and prunes recipe, let's get in the kitchen and take a look at the ingredients you will need. 6 bones-in and skin on chicken thighs or breast, 2 onions, 200 gram pitted prunes, 2 cloves of garlic, half a teaspoon turmeric powder, salt and pepper to taste, and 1 tablespoon saffron water. Add the cooking oil to a large skillet and put the chicken breasts or thighs in the skillet. Cook it for about 8 minutes without flipping. Then flip the chicken and cook on the other side until well browned. Perfect. Just look at it. This is exactly kind of color we want on the chicken. It's browned enough now to come out of the pan. Perfect. I just want to season chicken while still it's hot. I'm using nice flaky sea salt for that and also a little bit of ground black pepper. Now peel off 2 onions and slice thin. Now add sliced onions in the same pan over a medium-low heat. Looks like the onions are just about where we want them to be. Nice, soft and translucent. What a lovely smell. Love this. A little bit of garlic goes in the pan. Gently give a stir. At this point, I like to add turmeric and a little bit of pepper and cook for about 2 minutes. The reason I would like to add the spices at this point is because when you add them to warm oil, you get more flavor and aroma. Then add 1 tablespoon saffron water. Give a stir and fry again for a minute. Add 200 gram prunes and fry for 2 minutes. Next, add fried chicken pieces to the pan and about 500 milliliter chicken stock and season a little bit with salt and pepper. Actually, chicken stock will make the sauce of our Iranian chicken and prunes dish tastier, and store-bought or homemade work just fine. Bring the whole thing to the boil, then place the lid on the pot and simmer for about 30 minutes. After 20 minutes, remove the lid and flip the chicken pieces. Just like this. Perfect. Alright my friends, it's time to reveal my dish. I'm just going to turn off the heat. Chicken is cooked and smell is amazing. And I wish you were here and you could taste Iranian Khoresh Aloo. This is exactly the kind of food we like to eat at home. Simple, rustic, and yet sophisticated. Believe me guys, smell is so good. Maybe you ask what to serve with Persian chicken and prunes stew. Well, this stew or Khoresh Aloo is full of flavor. So you don't need anything super complicated to go along with it. You can serve it with either plain basmati rice or couscous, or with your favorite crusty bread, or with salad. Persian chicken with prunes stew will stay fresh for up to 4 days in an airtight container in the fridge. When you're ready to enjoy it again, simply heat up the chicken and sauce in a skillet over medium heat until warmed. So delicious. Just look at these, guys. It's so yummy. If you like this recipe, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. It's free to subscribe. And you will get access to all my new recipes as soon as they are published. Thank you very much for you all for watching, for your lovely comments, for your support, and for those who sharing this video with others. See you next time. God bless and lots of love. Bye.